Hi students, welcome to the next session of NEET Easy Physics. In previous video, we discussed about dot product of two vectors. So how they are going to ask in physics, we are going to see today once. So force they will give, the amount of force acting on the body. F bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. The displacement produced by that body, displacement is given by S bar is equal to I cap plus J cap. Then what is the work done by that force they are going to ask? At the time, we came to know work done formula F bar dot S bar. Dot product of force and displacement. Both force and displacement are going to be vector, but work done is going to be scalar. Therefore, we are using this. First, you can write 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot I cap plus j cap. Now, how to do? Already we discussed. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. Here 2, k cap is there, but here nothing is there. So, whenever nothing is there, we can take it as 0 into k cap. Therefore, 2 into 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Units of work done, joules. So, like this you are going to get in physics. Now, we will see cross product or vector product of two vectors. So, A bar Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. So, B bar is going to. So, B bar Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Then how we are going to do cross product or vector product of these two? So, A bar cross B bar is going to be I cap, j cap, k cap. So, first A bar we are taking. Therefore, you have to take Ax, Ay, Az. Next we are taking B bar. Therefore, next we should take Bx, By, Bz. So, whenever we are doing cross product, first we have to take I cap. First this one. For this I cap, we are going to write plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus. So, plus I cap. So, you can close this row and column. So, one column, one row you can close. Then remaining these two, you have to multiply. Ay, Bz. Ay, what we have to write? Bz. After that, you have to multiply these two. That is nothing but minus Az. What we have to write? B1. Understood? First we have to do this one minus this one. Whenever we are doing I cap. Next minus, here we wrote minus j cap. Now which one we have to close means j cap, this one. Whenever these two are going to be closed. Now Ax into Bz we have to do. Ax into Bz minus, next what we have to do? Ax, Bz, these two closed. So Bx, Az, correct? Az, Bx. Next what we have to take? Here plus k cap is there. Plus k cap. How we are going to write? Now we have to close I cap, j cap, k cap, this one, this one. Now these two will be remaining. Ax, By. What we have to write? Ax, By. Ax, By. Next what we have to write? Bx, Ay. Because these two remain. Bx, Ay. Minus Bx, Ay. So this is nothing but vector product of two vectors. Another one also I gave for you. A bar cross B bar is AB sin theta n cap. This is going to be C bar. So resultant AB sin theta n cap is a vector. Now what is its direction means we will use a right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule you have to take like this. If it is A bar, if it is B bar, it is going to be theta. So if you are doing A bar cross B bar, right hand thumb you can take A bar cross B bar like this you can take. Whenever you are taking A bar cross B bar like this, see the thumb how it is coming away from the board, like this it is coming. Away from the board means which one will be coming? C bar. Now C bar is coming away from the board, that is going to be A bar cross B bar. What is A I said morning? Magnitude of A bar. B is magnitude of B bar. So this is nothing but how to do. So what is the direction of this one means? Away from the board. If we are doing B bar cross A bar, let us assume, then you have to do like this. You have to start from B bar cross A bar. Then it is going to be into the board. So B bar cross A bar is into the board. A bar cross B bar is outside the board. How we are going to write? That one we are going to give example now. So two vectors if they gave, you have to do cross product like this. This is another vector that is going to be C bar. Now it is having direction. That direction to know you have to apply. What you have to apply? Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule you have to apply. Who are having left hand use, please try to remember you have to apply right hand. If you use left hand, all directions are going to be reversed. Okay. Now we will see cross product of two unit vectors. So unit vectors we said always along x axis I cap, along y axis j cap, along z axis. Z axis will be like this. If you are taking x axis, y axis, black color is x axis, red color is y axis, then z axis is blue color. Like this it will be coming. But this one we cannot draw on the board. Therefore, we are going to draw like this. This is nothing but k cap. So I cap is unit vector along x axis. J cap is unit vector along y axis. K cap is unit vector along z axis. Now I want what is I cap cross I cap. Morning we did I cap dot I cap. So I cap dot I cap means which formula we applied? Morning A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta, because dot product we did at the time 1 1 I and I. What is the angle between? Here theta is the angle between A bar and B bar. So I cap and I cap means angle is 0. Therefore cos 0 we wrote cos 0 value 1. Therefore I cap dot I cap became 1 according to this formula. Now we will see what is I cap cross I cap. Again we have to follow this formula. AB sin theta n cap. So 1 into, so sin, what is the angle between I cap and I cap? So both are in same direction, sin 0 n cap. So what is sin 0 value? Already we discussed. Sin 0 is going to be 0. Therefore I cap cross I cap is 0. Similarly j cap cross j cap is also 0. K cap cross k cap is also going to be 0. Now we will see what is I cap cross j cap. Again you can follow this formula, A bar cross B bar. So I j sin 90. What is the angle between I cap and j cap here? I cap and j cap angle is going to be 90. Sin 90 n cap. So I value magnitude of I cap. This is unit vector, therefore its magnitude is 1. J cap, it is unit vector, its magnitude is also 1. So in mathematics, number 1, if you multiply with any number, 1 into 3, 1 into 10, its value will not be changed. 2 value, 3 value, 10 value will not be changed if you multiply with 1. Same like that, in vectors, if you multiply with I cap, j cap, its value will not be changed. Magnitude will not be changed, but it will gain the direction. Therefore, we will use I cap, j cap like that. Therefore, this is magnitudes 1, 1. What is sin 90 value? This is also 1. Now, see this. This is going to be n cap. Now, finally, n cap is remaining. Now, what is this n cap direction we said? According to right hand thumb rule, if it is A bar cross B bar like this, in which direction C bar is coming? perpendicular away from the board. Now we can see I cap cross j cap. If you are starting from I cap cross j cap, like this it is going. Now see in this direction who is there? Who is there in this direction means k cap is there. Therefore, in place of n cap, what we will write means k cap. Understood? I cap cross j cap is k cap. Same like that. If you do j cap cross I cap, j cap cross I cap. So same you will get, because angle between j and I is also 90, but you have to do like this. So previous one I cap cross j cap, you have done like this. Now j cap cross I cap, you have to do like this. Whenever you are doing like this, thumb is going to be into. Inside the board you will get minus k cap. Therefore, I cap cross j cap is k cap means j cap cross I cap is minus k cap. You have to remember all this. So one logic will be there. If you remember that logic, you will get all those. So I, j, k. So I, j. So whenever I cap cross j cap, you are going to get k cap. So j, k. Whenever j cap cross k cap, you are going to get I cap. So if you want means you can prove that, but I am taking only one, remaining already we can get by understanding. So j cap cross k cap is I cap. Now k cap cross I cap, that is going to be j cap. So anti-clockwise if you are going anti-clockwise, always you are going to get positive values. Ij means k, jk means I, ki means j. Now if you reverse this, what is j cap plus I cap? So ij is k means j is going to be minus k cap. Like this, I cap cross k cap is minus j cap, k cap cross j cap is minus I cap. So remember any one remaining, we are going to get automatically remember. This is about how we are going to do, how these values came. I cap cross I cap is 0, j cap cross I cap is minus k cap, I cap cross j cap is k cap. So how this cross product is going to be done, just we will see with one example problem. Just you can take two example. A bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So B bar is going to be 5 cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So find A bar cross B bar. Find A bar cross B bar. So how you will find means like this. So I cap, j cap, k cap. So first we have taken A bar, therefore you have to take 2, 3, 4. Next we have taken B bar 1, 2, 3. I cap component, j cap component, k cap component. Now previous one we can apply. I cap. So this is going to be plus, this is going to be minus, this is going to be plus. You will learn all these in your 10th class. Plus I cap means this row, this column. 3 into 3, 4 into 2. So 9 minus 8. Next, minus j cap. What you are going to get? This row, this column. 2 into 3. 6 minus 4 into 1, 4. Next, plus k cap. Plus k cap. This row, this column. At that time 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 3. So 9 minus 8. So I cap. 6 minus 4. This is minus 6 minus 4 is 2j cap, 4 minus 3 plus k cap. This is going to be C bar. So what is the magnitude of C bar if you want? Magnitude of C bar is, how you will find? So 1 square I cap component plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. So root 1 plus 4 plus 1. So root 6 units. This is how to find C bar if they gave A bar and B bar. If they ask, let us assume B bar cross A bar. Just we have to reverse this, minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Just minus will become plus, plus will become minus. This is how to do cross product of two vectors.